Hello students. Today we'll discuss about Kant cycle. That a part of part programming in CNC machines. The topic covers in computer integrated manufacturing 6 semester as well as 8 semester. First of all, what is the meaning of the Kant cycles? A Kant cycle consists of a series of motions repeated a number of times like drilling, boring, and tapping, etc. For the example, we will take a drilling cycle consists following motions of drill bit. The rapid approach to workpiece, drill at feed rate, rapid return to initial point. As per shown figure. Here is in the figure a rapid approach to workpiece and a clearance plane, feed, breakthrough distance, a drilling operation. The format of a Kant cycle is given by and GAT1 XYZ and R is the position of the clearance plane. We can see here meaning of the alphabets and capital N equals to sequence number of the program line. GAT1 that is used for Kant cycle. XY coordinates of the point where the drilling is to be performed. Z depth of hole to be drilled. And R position of the clearance plane. The some G codes we will use for writing a part program. Here is JT1 that is drilling, JT2 counter shrink, counter boring, JT3 default drilling, JT4 that is used for tapping, 85 the ramming, 86 boring, JT7 multiple boring, and G88 is the boring, and G89 also that is used for boring operation, that is differ in dia or depth. The part drawing of a component is shown in figure. Here is 5 holes of 12.5 mm diameter are to be drilled at 5 places. The speed and feed rate are 592 revolution per minute and 100 mm per minute respectively. The speed and feed 590 and 100 mm per minute respectively. The machine has floating, zero features and absolute positioning. The thickness of the plate is 10 mm. And they write the manual part programming. The manual part programming meaning the using of the G and M codes for writing a part program. We can see here all dimensions of the plate and holes. 5 holes on a plate we want to drill, and 5 holes of 12.5 millimeter diameter, and the coordinates of the all holes we can calculate as per given dimensions. And we can see here the listed some G codes, those we will use in this part programming. G92 absolute presenting, absolute presetting, G90 absolute programming, that is used for coordinate system. G00 point to point motions or a rapid traverse. G01 linear interpolation or linear traverse. T01, that is tool number. Spindle capital S 592, speed of spindle. M03, spindle rotates clockwise. F100, that is tool feet, per minute. Z14, depth of tool cut. And M05, spindle off. And M30, end of tap plus tap rewind on a initially point. Students, we can see here the spindle clearance point is -25 or -25, x and y values of this. First of all, in first line, N001, G92, X0, Y0, and Z2. Z2 meaning above the workpiece or workplate of the drill bit. The absolute presetting. In N02, 002, G90. G90 absolute programming. And N003, that is G00, point to point positioning of the tool, X25, Y25, and tool number T01, and spindle speed 592, that is denoted capital S, and M03, and spindle start of the machine. On a line N004, G01, G01 meaning linear traverse, Z depth of hole, that will be -14. In opposite direction, negative sign is shows opposite direction or downward direction. For a hole, capital F100, that is denoted feet at. On a line N005, G00, again point to point motion, and Z2 above the workpiece. 2 meaning above the workpiece. Tool comes rapidly above XY plane. N006, G00, X25, and Y100. Tool brought rapidly at A above XY plane. N007, 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 again G01, the linear traverse, and Z -14, and F100. Tool goes down to full depth at A. Again in line N009, G00, point to point motion, X50 and Y62.5. Tool brought rapidly at C above XY plane. That want to drill hole C. N010, G01, Z-14, F100. Tool goes down to full depth at C. Again N11, G00, Z2. Tool comes rapidly above XY plane. N012, G00, X125, and Y100. Tool brought rapidly at B above XY plane, and go for drill. And 13, G01, Z-14, and F100. Tool goes down to full depth at B. N014, G00, and Z2. Tool comes rapidly above XY plane. And N015, G00, X125, Y25. Tool brought rapidly at E above XY plane. And again want to drill hole E, N016, G01, Z minus 14, F100. Tool goes down to full depth at E. N17, G00, Z2, M05. M05 stop spindle. Tool comes rapidly above XY plane and spindle off. N18, X and Y values here 25X and Y minus 25, or also X minus 25. Tool goes rapidly to clearance point. And last N19, the M30, end of program and tap rewind. That is example of can cycle, and drill the holes or multiple holes that we can complete write the program for 5 holes in the slide. Thank you.